Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Try to DIY. This is Camille and today we're going to create this beautiful wall decor. As usual, this DIY is budget friendly because what you will mostly need to create it is just a broomstick and some yarn. I'm sure it's raising some questions, so let's start. We'll start by making all the tassels, and for that you'll simply need some yarn and a piece of cardboard as support to wrap the yarn around. I knotted the top piece so everything will hold together before cutting the yarn at the bottom. And to complete the tassel, I wrap another piece of yarn around the top part to create a neck. I ended up deciding that the top part was too thick to use as an attach, so I switched it with a thinner and sturdier one, which was already of the right length. I wanted to elevate the look of that decor by adding some wooden beads, so I simply used all-purpose glue to harden the tip of the yarn so it would be easier to string the beads. What you will need next is a wooden broomstick. This step is not necessary, but I decided to sew the edge since it's a broomstick and not a regular dowel to have even edges. I made myself a jig out of cardboard to space evenly all my tassels when I will attach them on the broomstick. At first, I tried to attach them by laying them on the table, but I was struggling and I didn't find this method very precise. I then decided to attach the broomstick to a cloth holder and use gravity, which ended up being a much better solution. And finally, I'm trimming the tassels to have clean edges at the bottom. As a mounting system, I used the good old rope attached on each of the sides.
And this is another version with the beads placed higher, which is my personal favorite. So feel free to play with those elements and make it unique to you and to your space.
So what's your thought about this DIY? Leave this in the comment section below, please. Let me know if you liked it or not. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, it's super important. To comment, to like, to share with your friends and family. We just reached 9,000 subscribers on YouTube, on this channel. We're super happy about it, but I'm sure we can do much more with your help, with your share, with your comments and your likes. So please show us some support, some love. Thank you very much for all we got already. It really means a lot to us. We'll see you very soon for our next project. Bye!